In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members on Beehiiv, a simple process that should take us about 5 minutes. This can be really handy if you're looking to collaborate with others on your Beehiiv projects. So, let's dive right into it. First up, head over to the Beehiiv website. You'll want to make sure you're on the home page to get started. Once you're there, look for the login option, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to log into your account. If you're already set up with Google, there's a super convenient option for you. Just click on the Sign in with Google button. This bypasses the need to enter passwords manually and speeds up the whole process. Handy, right? Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. Now that we're logged in, it's time to move towards adding team members. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the settings. You can find the settings icon usually placed on some kind of menu bar or sidebar, depending on the layout Beehiiv is currently using. It's important to mention here that some of these settings might be tucked away in a drop-down menu, so be sure to look around if it's not immediately visible. After clicking on the settings, direct your attention to the area labelled Publication or something similar, and it should lead you to the general settings for your workspace. Within this section, find the Team option. By selecting Team, you'll be navigated to a page that allows you to view your current team members, if any. Here is where the magic happens. You will see an option labelled Invite New User. This is what you need to click in order to bring someone new onto your team. By clicking this, a form might pop up, prompting you to input the details of the person you wish to invite to your Beehiiv workspace. Now input the user's email address or any requested information. One thing to remember here, especially if you're using a free plan, Beehiiv might restrict the number of users you can invite, so you may need to consider upgrading your plan if you're planning to add more team members than what's allowed on your current subscription. And there you have it. Within just a few clicks, you've successfully learned how to add team members to your Beehiiv account. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it streamlines your collaboration process. Remember to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more tips in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy collaborating.